Need to get the face API from somewhere because we need it locally, and we should have a command for it. Can use wget. Should we? Is it really on github.com just a dude who hacks face API? Really? Is that the name? Is that really the name of the repo? Hope not. Hope not. Sharing EG simulator, by the way. Do you have that project repo on GitHub? So we don't do GitHub. Everything we do is on the website. So all the code specifically for this one should be like in the past we used to have a backend. Currently we're trying not to have backends. So just JavaScript. Therefore something like this. Is something like this. The code should just be on the side. So if you go console sources, e.g. synth, I don't know what that is. All the code should be there. So it's 1,000 lines of code. All the JavaScript is there. It's a standalone, so there is nothing else, well, except some Google Analytics stuff, which are not relevant to the page. Literally, if you take this HTML with the JavaScript and everything, you can run it anywhere you like on including your own website or something. Including your own website. So it's open source in that sense. And no, we don't use GitHub, just for the convenience, the complexity of it. Just another thing to manage. We did have a repo there, but just too hard. Too hard. No, so it doesn't have a backend. This one, we had the previous things before that did have a backend. This one doesn't, because most things don't. I don't need a backend. I think you have a backend, probably doing something wrong. No, it's like too complicated. So it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be complicated. Most things are pretty simple. Thanks for questions and showing interest. That's really amazing, really encouraging. Well, how about that clone? Okay, so that GitHub, just a dude who hacks. So is that the only place that has the Google, the face API thing hosted on? I don't get it. Sounds like a very bad name. Okay, Vincent Mueller. Okay. Looks legit. Face API. 17,000 stars on GitHub. That's decent. Face-recognition.js, simple Node.js package for robust face detection and face recognition. So when we're doing face recognition, so the face API detection and face recognition in the browser in Node.js TensorFlow. Okay, what's the difference between them then? Except the star count. One has 2,000 and one has 17,000. So obviously, but what's the difference otherwise? Obviously, face.js is more popular. What's called? No, face-api.js. License. Okay, it has a nice. So detecting your age, that's interesting, because we can do a lot with age. I was thinking a web application where you can, like, with a slider, change your age. So do like, make yourself older or younger for educational purposes only. Obviously, that will be a big disclaimer, because who knows what else people will be using it for. Yeah, thanks. Thank you for joining in. If you want to join in the streams, you're more than welcome. Can chat or bring you live with whatever voice or camera, whatever. Wait, how does it done celebrity recognition? So it was trained on age. Oh, the face API is weird. Yeah, and it has expression recognition. So it has surprised, disgusted, fearful, sad, angry, happy. That's nice. Well, probably, yeah, the problem with agent mode is that it's just chewing up tokens like there's no tomorrow. Hey, can you check what's missing? So we actually need to be able to download the model locally, don't we? Because we currently don't have it. Can you guide me through that? How do we fetch the model? Or just do it yourself? Agent can do it. Can take control of your terminal as well. Good luck to us all.